I've personally dealt with frustrating game restrictions myself and spent countless hours trying different approaches. After much testing, I finally found effective methods to overcome these issues, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. First, check your game's integrity. Damaged or missing game files can confuse the system and flag your account. Verifying files ensures all instructions are perfect. Clearing the game cache removes old, messy data causing errors, helping the system run smoothly. Updating the game ensures you have the newest, most stable version, often fixing ban triggers. Second, review your account and contact support. Restrictions sometimes happen by mistake, or you might have unknowingly broken a rule. Reviewing game rules clarifies this. Submitting a support ticket directly to the developers is key. They can examine your specific account, understand the situation, and remove the restriction if it was an error. They are the only ones who can truly fix account-level issues. Third, your network and system are important. A shaky internet connection or using a VPN can make game servers suspicious, leading to a shadow ban. Restarting your router gives your internet a fresh start. Disabling VPNs ensures the game sees your true location, building trust. Updating network drivers helps your computer talk to the internet smoothly. Lastly, if nothing else works, a full game reinstallation is a powerful solution. This is like completely erasing a messy drawing and starting fresh. If tiny hidden problems are deeply buried in the game's files, a full uninstall and reinstall wipes everything clean. It ensures you have a brand new, perfect copy, free from lingering issues, giving you a complete fresh start.